Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create this kind of small hairpins. For it you will need pin, seed beads size 10, some crystals. I have in two sizes, bigger and smaller, some flowers. These ones are acrylic flowers, you can find it in internet. And wire. I have here beadsmith wire 28 and 26. First of all we will start with the leaf. I will create green leaf for my pin. For it I will take my wire, which is 28. Size 28 for wire is thinner than size 26. And we start. Take one seed bead, go in the middle of the wire, and pass through the seed bead again, this way, and pull. Now we take two seed beads, bend wire and pass through the same seed beads with another wire, with the same wire but with other side of the wire. You have two wires, one wire from the one side and one from another. You basically need to weave this wire all the time, two of them from both sides, and pull. Now we take three, bend and pass through the seed beads with other end of the wire. And pull. Take four. Again bend and pass through it with other end. And pull. Take five. And pass again. Here you can decide how wide you want your future leaf. For me, 6 seed beads, so I will create one more. I take 6 seed beads. Bend. Pass through it again. And pull. Now we go backwards. 5, 4, 3 and 2. our leaf is ready. And now we will start to decorate our pin. This time we will take other wire, which is 26, because it's more thicker, and for our crystals it will be better. You don't need too much for it. Start with small crystals. Take one, go in the middle of our wire, bend our wire behind the crystal, press it a bit in the beginning here, take your wire and start to scroll it. When you think it's enough, you stop and you add one more crystal. Measure where you want to put it. Then bend the wire again around the crystal, press and scroll. Now scroll again these two wires together for a couple of times. Take one more and do the same. Now we will add bigger crystals. Measure where you want to put it. You can choose any design what you want. You can add a bit different shapes of the crystals and it will look a bit differently every time. You can add some gemstones or more different flowers and leaves. I will add one more big one. And here I will add flower. For it, take one seed bead, then our flower, and put inside or crystal or freshwater pearl or seed bead. I will put inside the crystal. When you decided where will be your flower, you just enter only in the flower. You skip your crystal inside the flower and skip the seed bead outside the flower. Make sure your flower is on its place. Hold it and pull your wire. Then you hold your seed bead, you bend the wire behind the seed bead and you start to scroll. You put it on the place where you want it to be and you bend your wire again together. Now we will take our leaf, we will measure where we want to put it, make a couple of bends here. I think I will put my leaf here. and I will bend all 4 wires together, just for a couple of times, this way. Then you take our pin, you measure it here, and you do a couple of rounds around our pin. Basically you can leave it like this, because this one will go to the Europe style and only this part will be visible. I think I will add something more, maybe 2 flowers. Yes, most probably I will add 2 more flowers to make it fuller. I just take one of my working wires. As previously, I will take 1 seed bead, flower and crystal, and we pass only in the flower. Let's scroll. Then go around our pin. And one more. 1 seed bead, flower, crystal, and we enter only in the flower. Now I will put all my flowers on their places, how I think they should be. And I will secure my wires and cut it. To secure the wires, I will just go a bit down, bend my wire around my pin, and you cut extra wire. Then take your pliers and press it. Same we do on the other side as well. Try it from the both sides, it should be smooth. And like that our hairpin is ready. This is the basic technique what you can use for your bridal jewelry or for your bridesmaids. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if you have any questions, please write those in the comments and let me know what you think about this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye!